What is good, YouTube? We are back with another video on the OEM Plus YouTube channel, where I am your favorite unenthusiastic car enthusiast. Today should be a quick video. I know you guys saw from the last video I did, I put the seats, the Sparko QRT performance seats in the G80 behind me here. I used the PCI seat mounts for that install. They work great. So what I wanted to do is, I haven't put the passenger seat together yet, the passenger side together yet. So what I'm gonna do is give you guys a POV view of how to assemble the seat mounts so that you can, you know, use that to, if you order a set, you can use that to guide you in installing the seat mounts for your G80 and whatever seats you choose to go with. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna put the camera, the POV camera on my hat here, and that way you have a bird's eye view of, you know, exactly pretty much how you set it up. So I'll try to do it in real time, so that way, you know, not really shortcutting anything, and you can kind of like walk with me and do a step-by-step as well if you choose to go this route. And yeah, should be it. So let's go ahead and get this show on the road. Let's switch to camera views. All right, so as you can see, I have everything laid out here. This is the seat base, side rails, sliders, handle for the slider, and all of the nuts and bolts and mounting hardware that you would need. These are some spacers that are used for when you install the aftermarket, or when you install your OEM seat belts to these brackets. You would use these spacers on each side. So I did them on each side because of the buckle part attaches here. So it'd be like this, right? So the buckle is here. See, that buckle's there, and then the actual seat belt, the bottom part will attach on this side, and then, you know, crosses over, boom, boom. So that's that. So got my drink. So let's start with the sliders. We'll come to the base later. So these are the sliders here. You want to orient them in a way that so I do it everything facing towards me. So this is the front of the seat, or the seat assembly. So this right here will be like this, right? So that's the front of the seat. So that's how you want to orient everything. The sliders they can go in and out using the latches here. So you want to set everything up to where you know where the front is, and you know how that works. So, and then again, these are the side mounts. The front of the side mount is the slotted grooves here, and then this is the back part. So it'd be like that. So first, what you need to do is you need to get bolts into these holes. So what you want to do is you want to press the slider thing and slide this out to expose these bolts. Take this, put that in there, slide it back, and press on this thing here and expose the other side, like so. Slide that up. I'll just turn it over, it makes it easier. And then now it's flat and even here. And then you want to repeat on the other side. So if you have the, you know, I know you millennials probably got the grip strength of a 10-year-old girl. So if you gotta have your mom come and push these in for you, feel free to do so. So what you want to do is, again, slide that back, expose, push that in. Expose. Flush that there. So now we have, this is the bottom of the seat mount, this is the top of the seat mount. So then you want to take your spacer here and put them on both sides. Boom, boom. And since you have one here, you have these other spacers, kind of like blank spacers. We'll go here, here, here. Take some washers, wash them up. Yep, tripping. Before you do that, then you take this, the side rails, put that on. Then you put your washers on. Again on the other side. You don't want to tighten them down crazy. You want them to still be able to move. Oh. Doing these things is very difficult for me because I have very big hands. So it's like dealing with little bolts and tight spaces and all that shit. It's like very annoying. Alright, so you can still move that around. Still move that around. Boom, side rails are on, boom. Now, you want to grab a seat. Here is my seat. So I just flip it over so that the front is here. And then, so pretty much you're just gonna go ahead and loosely install the side mounts on the seat. There. There, so it's fairly snug. Again, front. So I'm going like right here, right? So it's a fairly straight angle here. I'm not really angling the seat back or anything like that. I can adjust. Again, I can just bring the front to tilt if I need to, but this is where I think it should be good here. So now that that's on, you take your seat base. All right, so this is the seat base. This is the back portion. This is the front. So I'll just flip it over. And pretty much we wanna, hold on. Yep, so that's off. Make sure they're the same on both sides. So I went 3 on this one. I need to be at 2. All right. So now it should sit pretty flush. So then I line up my seat base to the holes. Get an idea of where they're at. So you're just eyeballing, right? So on this side, so there's 4 holes on this side. I'm on the second to the left, and then I'm right here in the middle on this side. I'm not worried about these because they're movable, right? So this is just to give you an idea of where everything will mount up. Take that off. Then go ahead and unbolt your seat mount. Boom, boom, boom. Move the seat out of the way for now. All right, so now you have to expose the rear. So what I like, so I have it oriented on how it would sit in the car. So what I'm gonna do is slide this side, so you have to expose. Let's go forward first. All right, so expose those bolts. See the holes there? Boom. All right, expose that bolt there. So you take your thick washer, gold bolt, goes underneath. Ooh, shit. And then you take your regular bolt. See if I can push that back a little bit more. Underneath. Then slide this forward. We'll expose the back like so. Boom, boom. Same deal. No washer for this one. Oops. There. gold bolt with washer here. Alright. Put this back in the neutral position. Boom, boom. And repeat on this side. Alright. Let's move everything over and make it a little bit easier. Come on, man. There we go. All right, so that's and then flip it over. Take your, that's not it, 13 mil. That's the bolts here. Let's get these, snug these down. Do the center ones first because that will lock it into place. And then I'll do the outside ones. Then I gotta go fucking Incredible Hulk on these. Nothing too crazy. So now we got the assembly all set. And then what I'll do now, put this bad boy on. Oops. All right, there we go. Again, front. So then you take, there's a hole here, put that in there, and give that some up taps. All right, Now we're even Steven. Take your seat. Flip it over. Again. Take your seat. Base. Reinstall seat base. Same spot. Nice and snug. I'm gonna snug these down. Pretty solid. So that way it's nice and flush to the seat here. All right, so now, remember we still got these bolts that's right here that I have to tighten down, so. Yeah, this one's been a little bitch. All right. All right, that's in there. So, yep. There you have it. Seat base on the seat. Again, these are the bolts I'll be using for the, so let's go ahead and do that. For the seatbelt assembly here. Like so. That. So that's there. Then the other one to go on the other side, but that's a whole nother thing. But yeah, so as you can see, it's not too bad. It's not too hard to put the seat base on. Put it all together. Mounts very well. Super secure. Thinks it slides very easily too. Super smooth sliders. It's a good mounting bracket. They sit low, so that's also good as well. But you got plenty of space underneath. All right, so my other camera died. So yeah, as you can see, seat bases are very solid. PCI is the company. Great customer service. Super sturdy, very good finish product, so it looks good on the car. It doesn't look like janky and rugged. So sliders slide very well, very smooth. And yeah, it's just all around just a good finish on all of the hardware and the brackets and everything. See the seatbelt bracket here. Let me see if I can bring it in this side for the light. So yeah, seatbelt bracket there. And yeah, love it. Good quality product. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. And you know, so if you're thinking about getting the PCI seat bracket, all-in-one seat bracket slider / seat mount for your racing seats, you now know how to put them together. And they're also similar to the Macan ones as well. So if you get either one, this instruction should help, or should give you a good baseline for both of them. So that's it for today, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's keep running the numbers up. I'll keep delivering content and making it do what it do. So hope you guys have a good one. And until next time, we are out.